guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you are new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see how I created this super easy look. When I say easy, it is like on the top I use two brushes. One's a fluffy brush, one's a flat brush. One eyeshadow palette, one eye pigment. It is stunning. The base is super quick and fresh. I just love this so much. Like, look at that lid. I haven't even got lashes on. Look at this lid. If you want to see how I created this using Pastel Rose and W7 eyeshadow palette, keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the W7 Enchanted palette. I got this in my W7 mystery box, and honestly, as much as I was like, it's dry and it's dusty, I've actually been using this like really quick, like scoring makeup, so actually very nice. Although I'm using the same 3 shades in each look. It's not that I'm scared to move away from them, but I don't know, I'm in like a rut of just using these 3 shades. So it is Charmed, Mystical and Magical. So this, and this. And I'm literally using one eyeshadow brush. I am using a big fluffy brush. This is a Sigma one, but I can't actually make out what the number is. It could be E35. It's just a nice big fluffy brush. I'm going to start off with Mystical, which is the medium brown shade. My eye is already primed with P. Louise base number 2. Okay, so all I'm going to do for starters is I'm going to pop this through my crease. I'm just going to kind of like press it into my crease to start with, just to get that pigment there. And that works through the tacky layer. And then just in circular motions, really nice and lightly, I'm just going to buff this out. This is the quickest look ever. Okay, now I've got it through my crease. I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm going to just go back and forth just on the outer corner, just to slightly wing it out. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm then going to take that lighter shade and we're just going to buff out the edges. Really nice, soft, circular motions all across there. And we're just going to keep following that shape. Okay, now we're back to this. We're going to go back to that medium shade again. Just darken that up just a touch. Nothing too major. Same brush, my first shadow, and just deepen that up just a touch. Now I'm going to use the same brush again, literally same brush throughout. I'm going to go with the darkest shade. I'm going to first apply it right to the outer corner. You can see I'm just popping that down. I'm literally just stamping, like up and down motion. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my brush from straight up and down, slightly angle it down, and I'm going to go back and forth to drag this out into my crease, out into my outer corner just a little bit. So just back and forth, and through into my crease just a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to go in with some glitter glue. This one is the Collection Glam Crystals Glitter Glue, and I'm just going to paint this on my mobile lid. I can feel where my eye socket is. I'm just going to keep it there. So you can see I'm just going to glue a shape almost like a cut crease shape. Just like that. Now I'm going to keep my eye closed so it can start to go tacky a little bit. I have got this pigment. This is called Autumn Love from Pastel Roses. I will leave a link in the description box down below. I always leave links in the description box down below, so if you want to check that out, yeah. I'm gonna just take the lid off and I'm gonna take the sifter out. Just pop the sifter into the lid. I'm going to take a small flat brush. This one is a Amylouise 7072. Any small flat brush will do. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit. And I'm just going to tap this into where that glitter glue is.
I'm just going to work in really small sections until I've got the glue covered.
I'm going to take that same brush, just a tiny bit of that darkest shade, and I'm just going to tap on the edge just a little bit. Now it does pretty much seamlessly blend already because it is particles. You're not going to get a super harsh line unless like you really pack it on and create a harsh line. I find that I never get a harsh line. So I'm just going to tap the very edge just to like really make sure that it's blended. But it pretty much is. Like, look at this. Oh, it is the most beautiful. It's like got orange and purple, and there's a little bit of green in there. Oh, it's just the most beautiful. You can see it is literally just like all the autumn colours. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, I'm going to pop some mascara on really quickly. Okay, I'm going to do a really quick base, nothing too fancy, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm not wearing contacts today, so I can't wear my lashes. I have something going on with one of my eyes. It's irritated today, so no contacts meaning no lashes because I need to wear my glasses today. I really can't do lashes and glasses. That is a tongue twister. Lashes and glasses. So I'm keeping it to just mascara. Feel free to do lashes. I can't today. I'm gonna just keep it as is. So I need two brushes for my lower lash line. I've got the Morphe M152 and the Morphe M456. So just a tiny little brush and then a slightly bigger fluffy brush. So I'm going to take the small brush with the darkest shadow and I'm just going to run this halfway across my lash line to about the centre point, giving it pretty tight to the lash line. Just like that. And then I'm going to take the bigger fluffier brush with that medium shade and I'm just going to blend this out, blend it out, buff it out. Just soften those edges just a little bit. Connect it up to the outer corner and just fade the very front of that kind of line that we created. Just like that. Then, ooh, a little bit of mascara, top and bottom. Now, I'm going to start popping. Well, I've always put links down in the description box of my videos, but I'm going to start being a bit more thorough with them. I'm going to start linking as many products as I can that I've used in the video so that it is easier for you guys to find. Not all of them will be affiliate links, but I will have some affiliate links. I also have discount codes processing at the minute. So once they are live, my discount codes will also be in the description boxes. Two of my videos. I have one coming from Look Fantastic, which is very exciting. So Look Fantastic code will be in there, and I have a couple more that I've been told I will be getting next month. So hopefully, well wait, I'm filming this in March, but when this goes up it'll be April, so this month. I've been told I'll be getting more discount codes and things, and if it's not a discount code it'll be a discount link. So yeah, I've already got one for Glossy Box that is in the description box. Hopefully you guys appreciate that I'm going that extra mile to link everything. Now obviously you don't have to use the affiliate links or the discount codes or anything like that. That is completely up to you. If you don't want to use my codes or my links, don't. Find the products yourself. It is not an issue. I don't have an issue with that at all. But if you want to save some money, use them, and some of them will get me a couple of pennies too. Now, not all the links in the description box will be codes or links where I get anything out of them or that you get anything out of them. It could just simply be a regular link that I found so that you can click on that specific product easily without having to track it down. But they will all be marked very clearly whether they are affiliate codes or not. I hope that's okay with everyone. What do we think of the look? This is like the easiest look. I've done foundation, I've not even done concealer. I did foundation, cream blush, cream bronzer, powder and a lip and my eyebrows. Like, it's the quickest like base ever. Yeah, I look like I've put some like work into this. This is something that would be great for an office party or something like that. Like, it's eye catching like that. Ooh, that lid. I love it so much. But yeah, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you'd like to become one of my patrons, I do have a link in the description box below to become a coffee bean. Please make sure to like, subscribe and leave a lovely little comment down below. It really does help me out, and I love to see what you guys think and have to say. Yeah, that is everything. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.